So there we go, we got the backing off. Now this is the wall I want to install on here. So this is a nice wooden surface. We're just going to align this the way we want it, make sure it's fairly level, and then we're going to go ahead and press it onto the wall. And we want to apply a good amount of pressure, make sure that that's nicely connected on there. That looks good to me, looks nice and level on the side there. And keep in mind that this is strong adhesive, so there's always a chance that it could damage the surface here. So you want to make sure that it's a surface that you want this to be on for a long while. Painted surfaces in particular, it's going to be hard to get this off without damage. So make sure that you're ready to have this this bar on there for a bit. But as long as you are, we've got it on the wall there. And then we actually want to wait about 24 hours before putting any kind of weight on it. So putting any towels or anything. So we'll come back in 24 hours. And there we are. After 24 hours, we can put our paper towels on there. It's going to hold this on really well. You can see that works great. So pretty easy setup. Again, if you're going into a more rough surface where the adhesive won't stick, you're going to want to use those anchors. But for just a smooth wall like this, the adhesive works great, holds this up. The bar looks great on the wall there, and super easy to use.